Welcome again. Welcome again with the seventh question of exercise 1.3. I am going to read the seventh question. In a class test containing 10 questions, in class test how many questions are there? 10 questions are there. 5 marks are awarded. Awarded means to give here. Okay. Award means here nothing. It is in simple language. Marks given. 5 marks are awarded. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Means each question, if out of 10 question, if you write any, for every correct answer, you will get 5 marks, and -2 marks for every incorrect answer. Means what it says, if for first question if you write correct answer you will get +5. For second question if you write correct answer you will get again 5. For third question if you write wrong answer, from your score 2 marks will be reduced. Means first 2 questions sum is how much? 5, 5, 10. Okay, now you score 10. For third question if you write wrong answer, from 10 marks 2 will be removed. Means your net score is now 8 marks. Likewise, for every incorrect answer 2 marks will be removed from whatever score you have made. Okay, for every incorrect answer, and 0 for questions not attempted. Means if you reach one situation where you don't know what is the correct answer and you don't have the courage to write the cooked up story also, then you decide to leave that question, not to try this. For such situations, then 0 marks are awarded. Means you are not going to provide any marks also, and from already scored marks no marks will be deducted. ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ if you don't attempt it. Okay, so 0 marks for questions not attempted. Now 3 situations are there. Actually I wrote 2, third one I will write afterwards. In 3 situations Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect. What is his score? Mohan gets 4 correct and how many incorrect? 6 incorrect. Right, first we need to write total how many questions are there. Solution you write total questions. Total questions are how much? 10. Marks for correct answer. Marks for correct answer is 5. Marks for incorrect answer is -2. Marks for incorrect answer is how much? -2. And marks for not attempting means if you don't touch that question at all, if you don't try at all, then you will get 0 for such questions or answers. Now one by one situation we will deal. In first situation Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect. What it shows? He attempted all 10 out of 10. He didn't left anything. Okay, what you do in exams now, even if you are doubtful about that answer, you just try, because there is no negative marks in school level as well as in college level. There is no negative marks pattern. Either if you write correct, marks will be awarded. If your answer is correct, 0. But here in this case, if you write wrong answer, marks will be deducted. How many marks? 2 marks will be deducted from this score you have scored. So Mohan took a chance here. He attempted all 10 questions. Out of those 10 questions 4 are correct. 4 solutions are correct and 6 answers are incorrect. What is his score? So what I will do, Mohan's score is equal to how many correct? 4 into correct plus how many incorrect? 6 into incorrect. Okay, little bit space is not here, please write here incorrect. Now 4 into, for correct how much will be awarded? 5 marks, plus 6 into, for incorrect how much will be awarded? -2. Now you solve this. What you have solved in fifth main, no? Plus 2 pairs are there and addition is there, multiplication. So first preference is given for bracket. Solve the bracket. 4 into plus plus 5 will come outside. This plus as it is. Okay, plus no, just plus into minus. Okay, plus into minus will give you minus. Okay, first I need to open the bracket now. Okay. 6 into plus into minus 2. Right. Now first we need to open the bracket. Both case I open the bracket. Now plus into plus 4 5s are 20, plus into minus 6 2s are 12, plus 20 minus 12, and there is no into sign between these two. What you have to do? Subtraction. If you remove 12 from 20, what you will get? 8 and a greater number sign, plus 8 marks. Means his final score is how much? Plus 8 marks. Just copy it on. Now, second situation. I am going to deal with the second solution. Second case, that is Reshma gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So right, Reshma's score is equal to 5 correct and 5 incorrect. Means 5 into, I will just use some capital letter in place of correct and incorrect. 5 correct plus 5 incorrect. 5. For correct answer, how much will be awarded? 5 plus 5. This plus as it is. This 5 into, for incorrect, minus 2. Say, open the brackets. Plus into plus plus. Therefore, 5 into. Okay, into. Even though if you don't write, this bracket shows into. Plus into plus 5 into 5, this plus will come outside, this 5 into minus 2, plus into plus 5 5s are 25, plus into minus 5 2s are 10, 25 plus 25 minus 10, subtraction. Okay, plus 25 minus 10, subtraction. How much? 15 will come, and greater number sign, plus 15 marks. Plus 15 marks. Last third case is there. I will write the question. Third case. This is the third sub question. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. It answers out of 7 questions. Out of 7 questions she attempted. Out of 7 questions she attempted. she attempted. What is her score? Look, this third situation is quite different here. What Hina decided? Not to try every question in both in both first two cases, Mohan as well as Reshma's case, both attempted all questions, whether it is a right or a wrong. They attempted all 10 questions. But what Hina did? Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempted. She only attempted how much? 7 questions. She attempted 7 questions. Out of the 7, 2 are correct. 2 are correct and 5 are incorrect. Remaining 3 questions, she didn't touch. Means she didn't tried those last 3 questions. Okay, so the situation changes here. How to solve this? Hina's score. Okay. Hina's score, total 7. Out of 7, 2 are correct. 2 into correct. I will reuse a C as a letter for correct answer. Plus, how many are wrong? 5. 5 into incorrect. 5 into incorrect. Plus, how many are not attempted? Out of 10, if she attempts 7, how many remains? 3 remains. 3 are unattempted. 3 questions are unattempted. Let us use U as for unattempted. So you write 2 into, for correct answer 5 plus 5 into, for incorrect minus 2 plus 3 into, for unattempted 0. For unattempted 0. Now next it is very easy. 3 pairs are there. Okay, first open the brackets. 2 into 5 plus 5 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0. Plus, first preference must be given to the multiplication rather than addition. So you should not add 5 plus 5 10. That is wrong. First you should multiply, then you have to add. Plus into plus. Plus 5 is a 10. Plus into minus. Minus 5 is a 10. Plus 3 into 0. If you multiply any number to 0, I told you, don't write complete answer 0 because it is not a continuous chain of multiplication. We solved one problem where lot of numbers are there and in between some 0 is there. So I write total answer is 0. Continuous chain it is not there. Here multiplication, again plus comes here. Again multiplication, again plus. So it is not a continuous chain of multiplication. So this much is continuous, no? 3 into 0. So this much will only become 0. Now plus 10 minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10. You leave about 0. Whether you add 0 or subtract 0, nothing is going to happen with the answer. Plus 10 minus 10. Subtraction, no? 10 minus 10 will give you 0. So what is Hina's score? Hina's final score is 0. If Hina's final score is a 0 marks. 0. Okay. Again, you note down this much. Again, I am going to see you with the 8th question. Okay. You just maintain this much notes. Already textbooks are available in the schools. If possible, please take textbooks. It is quite easy for me to teach you because before solving questions, I need to write all questions on the board. Okay. See you again with the next question. Thank you.